Indian Railways is gearing up to introduce its first Vande Bharat Sleeper Express later this month, with the inaugural service expected on the Delhi-Patna corridor via Prayagraj. Timed around the festive season, the debut aims to offer faster overnight connectivity, cutting travel time to about 11.5 hours, while providing airline-like comfort at train fares. Officials indicate that alternative routes such as Delhi-Ahmedabad and Delhi-Bhopal remain under consideration, with final deployment decisions to follow passenger demand assessments. Redefining long-distance night travel, built on the proven Vande Bharat platform, the sleeper variant will feature 24 coaches, designed for speeds up to 180 km per hour and an operational range of 160 km per hour. Unlike the current chair car services limited to daytime routes, these trains are tailored for overnight journeys. Coaches will include USB-enabled reading lights, modular pantries, CCTV surveillance and upgraded fire safety systems, marking a significant leap in passenger comfort and safety. Scaling up production to meet long-term demand, the Integral Coach Factory (ICF) in Chennai has already rolled out one prototype rake for trials. At present, 10 sleeper rakes are in production, 50 are underway, and 200 more have been contracted, bringing the planned fleet to 260 units. This expansion builds upon the success of the existing 150 Vande Bharat chair car services, which remain among the most popular daytime trains nationwide. Rising occupancy and demand, Indian Railways data shows sustained growth in patronage, with Vande Bharat trains achieving 102% occupancy in FY 2024-25 and rising further to 105% in Q1 FY 2025-26. Responding to this trend, the Railways is also extending existing routes with 20 coach configurations on 7 high-demand corridors, reflecting the surge in intercity travel preferences. Part of a larger modernization drive, the introduction of sleeper services aligns with the Railway's broader modernization strategy. Over the next 5 years, the national transporter will manufacture 17,000 general and non-air-conditioned coaches to serve budget travelers, while simultaneously investing more than $22 billion in infrastructure upgrades for speed, capacity, and safety enhancements. Strategic leap forward, with the Vande Bharat sleeper rollout, Indian Railways is not only addressing demand for faster overnight travel but also setting the stage for a wider transformation of long-distance passenger services, balancing premium comfort with mass mobility across India's rapidly expanding rail network.